Good morning, children. Today we are going to do the book exercises of the chapter 1, A Supercomputer. Take the page number 4 in your content book. Yes. Shall we read the question? Write the names of these machines. Tick the machines that need electricity to run. Yes, children, look at the first picture. What is the name of the machine? Yes, refrigerator or E F or I G E or A T O R refrigerator. Yes. What is the second picture? What is the name of that? Watch. Good. W A T C H. Watch. Yes, write it in your notebook. What's the third machine name? Washing machine. What's the spelling of the washing machine? W A S H I N G. Washing machine. MACHINE. Washing machine. Write the name of the machines in the dash. Yes. What is the last picture name? Cutter. Very good. CUTTER. Cutter. Now, tick the machines that need electricity to run. What is the first picture name? Refrigerator. So, it needs electricity to work. So, tick in the box. The next one, watch. It needs battery to work. So, that's also one type of electricity. So, tick. Then the third one also needs electricity to run. But what is the fourth one? Cutter. So, it won't want electricity to run. So, put the wrong mark. Now, take the page number 6. Yes. Name the types of computers these people use. Shall we read the first one? Come. Neera works in an office. She has a desk job. She uses a desk computer. Yes, desktop computer. So, we should write the spelling for the desktop in the missing boxes. Right? So, they get given D and K only. So, you have to write remaining spellings of the desktop. What's the spelling for the desktop? DESKTOP. Good. Second one, Raman travels a lot. He uses a computer which he can carry with him. So, he uses a which type of computer? Yes, laptop. What's the spelling of that? LAPTOP. Laptop. Good. The third one, Seema uses a very small computer. She uses a which one? Palm top. Very good. It is compared to the laptop, it is very small. So, she uses a palm top. P-A-L-M-T-O-P. Palm top. Good. The fourth one is Hari is a scientist. He uses a very fast computer. He uses a which type of computer? Supercomputer, because he is a scientist. So most of the scientists are using supercomputer. So SUPERCOMPUTER, supercomputer. Good children. Now take the page number 7. The question is, think of 6 things that you can do but a computer cannot. Now, in the first column, we should write what we can do. The second column, we should write what the computer cannot do. Okay? So, the first one they have given eat. We can eat, but the computer cannot eat. So, the second one, brush. Very good. We can brush, but the computer cannot brush. Third one, cook. We can cook, but the computer cannot cook. The fourth one, we can drink. The computer cannot drink. So the fifth one, we can dance. So the computer cannot dance. Good. Sixth one, we can walk, but the computer cannot walk. Right? Yes. Take the next page, page number 8. How are computers different from human beings? Write C for computer and H for human being. Okay? Yes. Read the word. The first one, or faster. Yes, the computer can do the work faster than the humans. So, we should write in the box the letter C. It's suitable for computer. That's why. The second one, forget. The computer cannot forget things, but the human can forget. So, it is suitable for humans. So, we should write the letter H. The third one, get tired. Human can get tired. So, write the letter H. Next, are accurate. The computer will give the answers accurately. So, it's right for computer. So, write the letter C. The fifth one, or slower. Human can do the work slower than the computers. Right? So, you should write the letter H. Then sixth one, make mistakes. The computer cannot do the mistakes, but we can do the mistakes at some times. So it's right for human. So write the letter H. Okay. Next, second one. What can you do on a computer? Color as many clouds as you like. What can you do on a computer? What are the works we can do by using the computer? We can color that, right? Yes. The first one, do homeworks. Yes, we can do. So, do the color of the homeworks cloud. Then, next one, play games. Yes, we can play games using computer. Third one, make sandwiches. Can we do the sandwich in the computer? No. So don't do anything in that cloud. The next one, write letters. Yes, we can write the letters. Next one, wash clothes. No, we cannot wash clothes. We can wash clothes using washing machine. Yes. The next one, draw and paint. Yes. So color this cloud. We can draw and paint in the computer. The next one, make tea. We cannot make tea in the computer. We have to make a tea by ourselves. The next one, listen to music. Yes, we can listen to music using the computer. So color this cloud also. The next one, watch cartoons. Yes, we can watch cartoons in the computer. So color this one also, right? So the next one, fill in the blanks with words from the box. So we have to select the word in the suitable fill-ups from the box. The first one, dash, make or work easy. Before, shall we read the options? First one, personal. Second one, supercomputer. Third one, machines. Fourth one, computers. Fifth one, homework. So these are the options. So we have to choose the option. Which one is correct for that? We have to write on that dash. The first one, dash, make or work easy. Machines. Very good. Machines make our work easy. So the second one is, the desktop computer is also called a personal computer. Good. Then the third one, a dash is mostly used by scientists. Supercomputer. The fourth one, we can do our homework with the help of a computer. So the answer is homework. The fifth one, dash can do many things at the same time. Computers can do many things at the same time. Yes. The next one, take the page number 9. Join the dots, name and color the computer. Yes, they have given the picture of laptop and the palm top, right? So first you should join the dots and color the picture as your wish, and write the name of the pictures in the dash. The first one is called laptop. The second picture is called palm top. So write the name of the pictures in the dashes. Yes, children, we have finished the chapter 1 book exercises. Do it in your content book. Thank you.